Hello guys, welcome back and thanks for viewing. In this video particularly, we are going to talk about the Java string endsWith method, which is a method used whenever you want to check whether a given string ends with a specified suffix. One point to note also is that this method returns a Boolean value whenever it is executed. This means that it will return true if the specified suffix is found at the end of a given string, and it will return false whenever the specified suffix is not found at the end of the string. Let me walk you through an example to explain in details. So I will start by declaring my string variables, and the first one I will call it str1, and I will give it the value of I love programming. The second string variable I will call it str2, and I will give it the value of programming. So in my method, str2 is going to be used as the suffix, okay? So now, since the method returns a Boolean value, I need to declare a Boolean variable that I'm going to use to store the value returned whenever the method is executed. And this Boolean variable, I will call it returned value. And now I need to call my method. So I have to write the given string variable, that the name of the method, which is endsWith, and inside the brackets here, as you can see, suffix, I need to write the suffix. And as I said, str2 is going to be used as a suffix here. And what I will do next is just do a System.out.println. And in here, I'm going to write returned value. So returned value, as I said, is storing the value returned, the Boolean value returned when our method is executed. So if I run this program now, I will get true here in my console. Yeah, so we have true in the console, which means that our str1 string is ending with the value stored in str2, which is programming. And as you can see, I love programming ends with the word programming, and str2 is storing the string programming in here. So you will see that if I change this str2, the value stored in str2, and then run, I will get false. And also if I change the value stored in str2, instead of writing programming with lowercase characters, I'm going to write programming using uppercase characters, and then hit run. I will still get false because the endsWith method is case sensitive. So this is also something that we need to keep in mind. But if I write programming with lowercase characters and then run, I will get true here. So guys, that was it concerning the endsWith method, the Java endsWith method. And I hope this video was informative, and please don't forget to support this channel by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Let's meet again in the next video.